2 minus 6 bracket 2 minus 6 equal what? Here 2 minus 6 gives us negative 4. Multiply this 2 minus 6 gives us negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 gives us positive 16. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore at first we have to work with this parentheses. Here this 2 minus 6 multiply inside this parenthesis we have 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 gives us negative 4. According to the order of portion, now I have to work with this multiplication, because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Therefore this minus 6 times minus 4 gives us plus 24. 2 plus 24 gives us 26, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.